Very good morning, students. Yes. So now homework is done. Right. So today we will explain from question number 7 and we will continue exercise 13. Right? Yes. So today's date is 4th of September 2020. So question number 7 is subtract the sum of 2999 is called as 2999 and 3888 from 9111. So subtract the sum of this from this. So step 1 is adding both the numbers. So 2999 and 3888. So this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Yes, now adding ones. 9 plus 8 is 17. So write 7 under ones column and carried over 1 to the tens place. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 8 is 18. So write 8 under tens column and carried over 1 to the 100 place. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 8 is 18. So write 8 under 100 column and carry over 1 to the 1000 place. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6887. Now step 2 is subtract the sum of this. It means sum is this. So subtract this from this number. So now we subtract 6887 stands for 6887 from 9111. 6887. So this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. Simply. Now we subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 7 from 1, but it is not possible. So from the tens column we borrow 110 and leaving behind 0, and 110 plus 0 ones become 1 ones becomes 11 ones. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 8 from 0, but it is not possible. So from the 100 column we borrow 110 and leaving behind 0, and 100 plus 0 tens becomes 10 tens. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Right? Yes. Now subtracting 100, we want to subtract 8 from 0. So 0 is less than 8. So is it impossible? So now we borrow 1000 from 1000 column. 8000 is left and 1000 plus 0 100 becomes 1000. So 1000 minus 800 becomes 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. So write 2 under 100 column. And now subtracting 1000. We want to subtract 6 from 8. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So answer will be 2224. Right? Yes. Now question number 2. Subtract 4235 from the sum of this. So first step is sum. Sum of this or this number. Step 1. Now we adding numbers. 3672 plus 1893. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Now adding ones. 3 plus 2 is 5, and now adding tens. 7 plus 9 is 16. Yes. So write 6 under tens column and carried over 1 to the 100 place. And 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 8 is 15. So write 5 under 100 column and carried over 1 to the 1000 place. And 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So sum is 5565. Now subtract 4235 from sum, right? So step 2 is subtracting ones, tens, 100, 1000. Subtracting 4235 from this. So from 5565 and subtracting, we subtract 4235. Now we subtract. Step 1 is subtracting ones. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1330 is the right answer. And now question number 9. Subtract the difference of 3672 plus 189693 from 4235. Subtract the difference, right, of 3672 plus 1893 from 4235. So difference means minus. So step 1 is find the difference between two numbers. So this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. So 3672, 3672 and 1893. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Now subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 3 from 2. But it is not possible. So from the tens, we borrow 1 10 and 6 tens are left. So 1 10 plus 0 ones becomes 12. 2 ones becomes 12 ones. So 12 minus 3 is 9. And now subtracting tens. We want to subtract 9 from 6. So from the 100, we borrow 100 and 500 are left. And 100 plus 6 tens becomes 16 tens. So 16 minus 9 is 7. So write 7 under tens column. Now we subtract 8 from 5. So 5 is less than 8. So is it not possible? So from the 1000, we borrow 1000 and leaving behind 2. And 1000 plus 500 becomes 1500. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So write 7 under 100 column. Now subtracting 1000. We want to subtract 1 from 2 is 1. And so difference of these two numbers is 1779. 1779. Now step 2 is subtract the difference of this from this. So 1000, 100, 10 ones. So 4235 is a bigger number. And now we subtract 1779. Now we subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 9 from 5. So 5 is less than 9. So from the tens we borrow 1 10. 2 tens are left and 1 10 plus 5 ones becomes 15 ones. So 15 minus 9 is 6. So write 6 under ones column. Now subtracting tens, we want to subtract 2 10 from 7 from 2, but it is not possible. 2 is less than 7. So from the 100, 100, borrowing 100 and leaving behind 1, and 100 plus 2 tens becomes 12 tens. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So write 5 under tens column. Now subtracting 100, we want to subtract 7 from 1. 7 is greater than 1, right? So from the 1000, we borrow 1000 and leaving behind 3, and 1000 plus 100 becomes 1100. So 11 minus 7 is 4. So write 4 under 100 column. Now subtracting 1000, we want to subtract 1 from 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2, 4, 5, 6 is the right answer of question number 9. Okay. So do this work in your fair copy better. Thank you so much, students, and have a good day.